All right, first thing you're going to want to do is take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. So you're going to end up with 3, that's embarrassing, 4x to the third minus 3y squared dy over dx is equal to 0. Okay, we do need to solve for this thing right here. So I'm going to divide both sides or multiply both sides by -1. It doesn't really matter. Well, you don't really have to do that. Never mind. I just like to do that. And then we have something like this for the first derivative. So that's that part right there. Okay. And then we have to plug in 1 for x. So it's going to be 4 times 1 to the third power. But we need to divide by 3y. But we need that y value for this. So what you can do is just plug in 1 to the original and solve for y. You will get y is equal to -2 if you do that. Because it needs to be 1 plus 8, so you have to make this 8 essentially. What?
I always do the calculus right and then I do stuff like that.
It's okay. All right, so you throw that in there and you end up with 4 over 12, which is 1/3, which some people got. Questions on this? So now we're going to go further down the rabbit hole, as I'm sure some of you probably already guessed. I want the second derivative. So now I want the second derivative at x equals 1. All right, so we're doing the derivative of this orange step right here, and the derivative of that would be g times f prime minus f times g prime. And we're dividing this by g squared, so that's going to be 9y to the 4th, essentially. Did anyone else get that? Did I set that up right? I just don't want to lead people in the wrong direction, and sometimes you get hypnotized by your own work. It's good to like get someone else to put their eyes on it, fresh set of eyes. All right, now from here, because I'm just trying to find the derivative at x equals 1 and y equals -2, I'm just going to start filling in these values. So this one right here, 3 times -2 squared, that should be 12. Okay, and then this x is just 1, so it's going to be 12 times 12 here for that part. This is 1. This is actually going to be 1/3, because we found it right there. 6 times y, which is -2, is going to be -12 for this part. And then this is going to be a 4 here. There's a minus there still too. It's just kind of good to X everything out so you don't miss anything. This bottom part right here, -2 to the 4th is 16. Yes. Times 9 is 144. 90 plus 54. Okay. And then you're going to end up with 144 minus, okay, this is going to cancel here to be this. Minus -16 all over 144. So you got a plus. 154 plus 6 is 160 over 144. I mean, this is free response, but it's still good to practice simplifying this. Let's just do 2 for now, I guess. There we go. Oh, it's easier. So it'd be 10 over 9.